I'm so grateful, for believing us. I'm so grateful for giving us a. I'm so grateful, for making the deliberate for us, So I win a contract inside Kaswa, Big Apple, So I'm going to supply a 4 kilometers of HL stones there before we start installation. So this contract involve a white stones, yellow stone, red stone, and another color. They are going to take me 2 days or 2 days and a half to supply this 4 kia to a customer, inside Big Apple, Kaswaro before we start the installation. So kindly subscribe to our channels, leave your comments, It is your boy Steven Stone Design. Yeah.
Yeah, class for how won't it? Back fine.